I'll take a banana split.
A large yellow emoji with a wide smile sits on a gray surface. A smaller, smiling emoji appears beside it. The large emoji's mouth becomes a straight line. Two banana halves appear in a dish. The small emoji's mouth opens in surprise. 3 scoops of ice cream, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate appear on the bananas. The small emoji looks surprised, while the large emoji has a thoughtful expression.
1 scoop vanilla, 1 scoop chocolate, 1 scoop strawberry.
The large emoji looks annoyed. The small emoji's eyes are closed. The ice cream scoops rearrange. Vanilla, then chocolate, then strawberry. The small emoji's eyes are closed. The large emoji looks annoyed. The ice cream scoops rearrange again. Chocolate, then strawberry, then vanilla. The small emoji looks surprised.
Put the strawberry in the middle.
The scoops revert to vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. The large emoji looks upwards.
And now hot fudge.
A bottle of chocolate syrup appears and pours syrup onto the vanilla and chocolate scoops. The small emoji looks sad.
Only on the vanilla and chocolate.
The small emoji smiles. The large emoji looks annoyed. The chocolate syrup is now on the strawberry scoop.
Put regular fudge on the strawberry. Now some whipped cream.
A can of whipped cream appears. The small emoji looks surprised. Whipped cream is sprayed onto the banana split, covering it entirely. The large emoji looks shocked.
Hey, easy. Little more.
The large emoji looks sad. The small emoji smiles. The large emoji looks sad. The small emoji laughs. The large emoji looks sad. The small emoji laughs.
Little more only on the vanilla.
The large emoji looks sad. The small emoji smiles. The whipped cream is now only on the vanilla scoop. Whipped cream appears on all 3 scoops. The large emoji looks sad.
Kind of fill in that space right there. Stop. Now some nuts. No nut dust.
The whipped cream covers the entire banana split again. The large emoji looks sad. The whipped cream is removed. The large emoji looks sad. Whipped cream reappears on all 3 scoops. The large emoji looks sad. The small emoji smiles. The large emoji looks thoughtful. Sprinkles appear over the banana split. The large emoji looks surprised. The large emoji looks sad, with a tear. The small emoji points upwards. The large emoji looks sad, with a tear. The small emoji smiles. The large emoji looks sad, with a tear. The small emoji's eyes are closed.
Now this is the complicated part.
The large emoji looks stern. The small emoji smiles and points to the right.
No green sprinkles on the chocolate.
The large emoji looks stern. The small emoji makes an okay gesture.
Yes, green sprinkles on the strawberry.
The large emoji looks annoyed. The small emoji laughs. The large emoji looks annoyed. The small emoji's eyes are closed.
But both no red sprinkles, except on the vanilla, which should receive exclusively red sprinkles.
The large emoji looks annoyed. The small emoji laughs. The small emoji makes a rock-on gesture. A bottle of sprinkles appears and sprinkles multicolored sprinkles over the banana split. 3 coins appear next to the small emoji. The large emoji looks surprised.
That'll be $5.85.
The large emoji looks sad. The small emoji smiles.
I've only got 16 cents.
The large emoji looks surprised.